Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your PennyMac Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your PennyMac Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in www.pennymac.com and make a search. The official page of PennyMac Mortgage account will appear on the screen. Click on Login Register option at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed option, choose your account type to log in. Here, I'm gonna go with Manage My Existing Loan option. Click on Login to My Account option just below Manage My Existing Loan option. On the next page, enter your username and password associated with your PennyMac Mortgage account and tap on Login. Tap on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Tick mark on the box that says Remember this device in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on the link that says Forgot Username or Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your PennyMac Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.